Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. Today I've got a little 30mm kinzo padlock. Does work. That's the bitting on the key, nothing too extreme. And a massive thank you to all my subscribers, old and new. And for those of you who don't know, in my previous video I've got my 100 subscriber giveaway, which is still active until Wednesday the 12th. So if you haven't already commented, please go and leave a comment to be in with a chance of winning a chub with a Medico M3 core. That felt like I only picked 2 pins. Open. Let's see what else we can open it with. Sparrow's worm. It's an open. Bogota. Yep, it's an open. And I'm definitely not a raker. Let's try the back of a pick. Even the back of a pick. So that was a kinzo 30mm padlock. Definitely not worth buying. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.